Hey guys, and it's time to take a sneak peek to the official MIUI 10 based on Android Pie for the Pocophone, and this thing looks beautiful. At this point, I would prefer MIUI 10 over any custom skins. Alright, so the MIUI 10 based on Android Pie is ported from Xiaomi Mi 8, which just received it officially. And yeah, you can call it an official firmware which can be installed unofficially on your Poco F1. And again, that's totally fine because you are free to unlock your Pocophone without any warranty issues. So just unlock it right now. Basically, during the launch event, Xiaomi said that they will be updating the Poco F1 to Android Pie based on MIUI 10 later this year, and this is what it is going to look like. So first of the changes, we now have the brand new lock screen live wallpaper. It's not exactly live cause it becomes still after a few seconds, but this thing looks dang good. And it is possible that this feature is Mi 8 exclusive. However, I would really appreciate if Xiaomi add this feature to the Pocophone in the future update also. Next up is the brand new quick setting tiles options, and there we have a bunch of new options added. The most beautiful thing that I noticed is the new 3D animations. Just look at that, guys. Whenever you will close an application, the icon is going to pop up and this thing looks amazing. Here's it in the slow motion, and let me know in the below comment section your thoughts about the MIUI 10 versus stock Android. Which one would you prefer and which one looks interesting, because at this point I love both stock Android and MIUI 10. And next up is the new search gesture. I really don't know if this thing was there in the MIUI 9, but I just noticed it right now. So you can open the search by swiping up on the center of the home screen. And the reason why swiping on the center is because if you swipe up from the bottom, it is going to open the recents. Also, there is nothing new in the applications. So moving to the settings, there we have the new Android version 9, which is Android Pie, and security patch level is the latest September 2018, which is also nice. The disappointing part of the MIUI 10 based on Android Pie is you won't see any Android Pie specific features like adaptive battery, text selection from the recents, app actions or dashboard which tracks your activity. There is no dark mode also, which is available with stock Android Pie I mean. Maybe in future with MIUI 11 based on Android Pie, Xiaomi is gonna implement these features, but as of now the MIUI 10 based on Android Pie won't have these features. And the best thing that I noticed is the performance. It has been improved, the battery life is better than Oreo, and also the animations looks a lot better and smooth. So this is it with the MIUI 10 based on Android Pie. This is what it is going to look like in the Poco F1. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this, and peace out.